Welcome to this B-Link video doorbell review video. This is the newest model 2025. This is an Amazon product, so you can trust it. Inside my review video, I will share firstly other customers' review. After that, all product details, and finally, I will share my honest opinion. And after that, if you think you are satisfied, you can take action inside my video description. Now, let me complete everything. After that, you can make the right decision. Firstly, check other customer reviews. If you want to purchase any physical product, I highly suggested anyone to check other customer reviews to make the right decision. You see, customer review 4.3 out of 5. Over now 9,000 people globally rate this product and 69% people rate as 5 star. Let's check some user opinion. Outstanding value and brilliant performance. B-Link video doorbell, second generation, a worthwhile upgrade. Satisfied, good camera, great doorbell. Best doorbell video, great camera and value, good device, stress-free, simple, efficient, and with outstanding battery life. Check next page. Upgrade from the old version, worth buying, nice improvement, adorable and decent video doorbell, a great alternative to Ring. Just about everything is improved. B-Link doorbell is A plus over the older model. Great video doorbell camera, not for security. This guy doesn't like it. A good upgrade, love it. Works great. Internet connectivity. You need to buy more than the doorbell. Excited, excellent product. Really wanted to love this. Excellent. Check next. Fabulous. Doorbell camera, easy setup. It works for me. Great quality, great buy. Dependable, but there is a monthly subscription. Great picture size, easy setup, worth it. If you check this all customer review, then this is highly recommended. Check my video description to get instant access this B-Link video doorbell. And if you first time inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. Quick Amazon review to the first viewer all of my Amazon products honest review and my honest opinion. Check discount and offer price also inside my video description. Okay. Let's check all about this B-Link video doorbell. Setup in minutes, use for years. Okay, head to toe, HD view, 2 years battery life, two-way audio, smart notification. You see here. Now check the base features, and two types of colors are available here. One is black and other is white. Okay, you can check all this. Now check the best features here. Video doorbell is our second generation smart security doorbell with up to 2 years of battery life and extended field of view and improved security features for more peace of mind no matter where you are. Last longer with 2 years battery life. See more at your door. Great guest and host package get delivered day and night. Set up in just a few minutes. Always know who's there. A part of B-Link subscription plan. Get alert whenever a person is detected and enjoy features with B-Link moments, which stretched together clips in a single video to save and share. Save and share clips. Okay, securely store your footage in the cloud. Works with Alexa. Connect to an Alexa enabled device to answer the front door. And included here, you see 3 AA engineered lithium battery and a mounting kit. You see here. You check the B-Link subscription plan. The purchase of B-Link video doorbell included a free 30 days trial of B-Link subscription plus plan. Okay, save and share clips conveniently in the cloud and get smart notification like person detected and enabled advanced features like B-Link moment with a plus plan. So you can check this B-Link subscription plans. And this is highly rated product. This is trending video doorbell and low returns product. Okay, B-Link video doorbell set up in minutes, use for years. See more of what you are at your door. More convenient, more peace of mind. Head to door, HD view. 2 years battery, two-way audio, smart notification. get up to full years battery life. How actually it works? You see here, billing subscription plan, 30 days free trial, and how you can get started. Get started is easy. Step 1, open the billing app. Step 2, add your video doorbell to an existing billing system by tapping the plus sign in. You can get the instructions here. Know the carbon footprint and the materials, packaging, trade in, and recycle. You can also compare with billing device, other billing device with billing video doorbell system, billing video doorbell add-on system, then video billing outdoor 4, and billing mini version 2. You also can compare with these 4 other doorbell. Okay, video doorbell. You can check the price, rating, power source, battery life, weather resistant, field of view, video resolution, motion activated alert, person detection, on device notification, two-way audio, or with Alexa. You can check and compare with other 4 video doorbell. And now check the technical details. Okay, you can check all the technical details about this video doorbell. And finally, check customer reviews. Now, after checking customer reviews, if you are satisfied to use this video doorbell at your home, this is highly recommended. Check my video description to get instant access, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Quick Amazon Review. And check everything, then make the right decision. Check my video description here. And if you purchase from my video description, I will get a little bit affiliate commission. And this is one of the best rated and best selling video doorbell. This is the newest model 2025. So guys, take action inside my video description. Thanks for watching. Bye.